For us, with Adobe, it is it's a big piece of software that does a lot of things. And we needed someone who can really partner with us and say, this is where you are, right? This is the itty bitty CMS that you were using before, and this is kind of the ecosystem that you bought into, and we're going to get you to the point where you're using all these things. But you shouldn't set the expectation for yourself or your implementation partner that day one you're going to use every single element of the CMS that you've bought into, but just that what are the most important things from the CMS, what are the most important things from Adobe Target, from the general other stack integrations that you want to take advantage of, so that you can kind of build on strength. And Avionos, frankly, comes with a point of view, and I think that has been really, really powerful for us, because you will find implementation partners who are order takers, who will take your requirements without really kind of shaking the rug on them and saying, is this really what you're intending, before it's handed over to a development pod or a sprint release. As a partner, they really kind of made sure that we were checking ourselves and that we were putting value against things. And also that, frankly, if we were maybe going down a path that was not as valuable, but was maybe a loud voice in the room or a passion project of someone, to say, how does this align to your roadmap? How does this align versus the other things that you are prioritizing? And I think that is something that I've had experience with a couple different providers, in my time in digital marketing, and something that I really valued from Avionos.